So thank you for indulging me, because my personal North Star is to democratize information, access, and opportunity in ways I never had when I was young. And so if I have to Trojan horse some Web3 info into a talk about marketing, so be it, because we are literally on the cusp of a revolution. This is going to change how we live, work, and play. There's so many people at the margins that need to be brought in. 81% of crypto is male, and only 5% of NFT projects are female. We are nowhere close to democratizing it, but by being a founding member of BFF with people like Jamie Schmidt, Britt Morin, Gwyneth Paltrow, and Mila Kunis, we are bringing the opportunity and education to women and to non-binary people. So there is an incredible opportunity for all of us to learn. I'm not saying go buy an NFT now or go buy crypto, just be open to learning. I was one of the first 3,000 people on Clubhouse, one of the first 3,000 people on Facebook, and I didn't do anything about it. I was one of the first 3,000 people on Clubhouse. I did something about it, and it changed my life. What could you do if you were early?